In algebra, binomial means we have two terms, and this expression then means we have two terms times two terms. Now, order of operations is quite quick. We simplify in the brackets here, and we get 8 times 6, which is 48. And we can show that here. We've got 3 plus 5 and 2 plus 4. Area model gives us 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 4 is 20, and we would add up all the areas. 6 plus 12 plus 10 plus 20, and we get 18, 28, 48. Same answer. And for this example, we can't simplify in the brackets, but we can multiply and simplify this expression. If we put an x and a 5 along here for the first bracket, and then an x plus a 4 for the second bracket, we can use the area model and simplify. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 4 is 20. Now what we'll do is we'll collect our like terms. We have x squared. We're going to add up 5x and 4x, and then we have the 20. These two are like terms. X squared stays, 9x plus 20. X plus 5 and x plus 4. X times x is x squared. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 x's. And then we'd fill in all of these ones to make 20. And there it is. X plus 5 times x plus 4 makes x squared plus 9x plus 20. Order of operations tells us to combine inside the brackets first. We have a 3 plus 5 is 8, and a 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and that gives us a negative 16. Here's the area model then. We have a 3 and a 5, and a 2 and a negative 4. We get 6, negative 12, 10, and negative 20. These two make negative 32, and this makes us 16, which gives us a negative 16 altogether. Same answer. Here we have an x and a 5, an x and a negative 4. And we can do the same thing. We have x squared, negative 4x, 5x, and negative 20. We have x plus 5 times x minus 4 is the same thing as x squared minus 4x plus 5x minus 20, or x squared plus x minus 20. Notice that a binomial times a binomial makes a trinomial, 3 terms in this case. X times x, x squared. X times negative 1 makes negative x, and we have 4 of those negative x's. 1 times x makes an x, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And 1 times negative 1 makes negative 1, and we have 5 times 4 of those, negative 20, and the x squared right here. Therefore, we can write out x plus 5 times x minus 4 equals x squared plus x minus 20. Before we stop, I just want to have a look at 4 more questions because I don't want you to mix these up. Remember that when you're squaring a bracket, that bracket appears twice. We will not say that this is x squared plus 25 because that's wrong. X plus 5 times x plus 5 results in x squared plus 10x plus 25. Next one, we have 5x times 5x, which is 25x squared. 5x times 5x makes 25x squared. Third one, x minus 5 times x minus 5. The squared means x minus 5 times x minus 5. X times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. We have x squared minus 10x plus 25 because this negative 1 times negative 1 each makes a positive, and we have 25 of these. And the last one, we have negative 5x times negative 5x because of this squared, which is 25x squared. Negative 5x times negative 5x makes positive 25x squared because each one of these, negative times a negative, makes a positive.